Okay everybody, welcome back. This is your site setup module and this is video number 2, which is how to host your domain. So basically, in the last video I bought this domain, Pest Control Clearwater. So what I'm going to do now is put it on one of my hosting sites or hosting areas. So one of the first things you've got to do is actually put in the name servers where you want to point it to. So we go down to custom DNS and I need to find my name server where I'm going to put it. So it's this one and it must be that one. Okay, so put that in there, put that in there, and just do save. That's it. That's all we need to do as far as the hosting is concerned for now, like sort of our registrar. So now we have to go across to the host. So we go across to here and basically we now need to add a domain. Depending on like sort of which one you've got, so all of them are in like sort of slightly different areas. But you just look down till you find this one here, add-on domain. And you click on it. And you go in. And then you need to put in the domain name. So I always like to copy and paste because then I don't spell it wrong. Put it in there, it will already put the subdomain in. I always take the .com off the end for my publication, and then it's just a case of add the domain. Make up minutes, and basically that's it done. Yeah, hosting is now set up for that domain. Simple. Okay. Hope you enjoyed that. Catch you in the next one where I'll show you how to set up the email for it. Catch you later. Bye.